there was years of recollection and traceable in the year 2001. For 2001 was the time the President of Cebu Holdings then, but now is the Secretary of all the Secretaries, Rene Almendras. And the other personality is Teta Baat. But the other guy that was part of the triumvirate of the Ayala Group, and I was just the supplement that came in to meet at Marriott, is it in Marriott or in a hotel, City Sports Club. For them, the Ayala's sentiment of helping Cebu has always been around. During the time, Rene Almendras, we met back one time, he said, Mike, under your chairmanship and the overall chairman of the Sinulog 2002, we would like to be involved much, and that is the project of Balik Cebu. Since that time, this multi-sectoral organization, which I have been highlighting, that the thing we had in our administration is the PPDG. PPDG and Francis Monera has always been a part of it. Now, the president of this corporation, I call it not past president, not district governor, but I had it as an acronym for People Privately Driven Governance. And in my being the vice mayor then, and my being now the second mayor or the second termer mayor, I have always bring in the forefront how the pivotal point, the fulcrum insofar as Cebu's or Cebu City's progress. It is because the private sector has always been there to give and lend their unconditional and unqualified support. That's the reason why we've been having influx of balikbayans. And even today, I just had a meeting, Donnie, Eileen, and Alice, with my department heads, to bring them to be prepared for Sinulog 2014. And the word is PS, not personal service, but paradigm shift. It has to be a paradigm shift because we are so glad, fortunate, and quite very happy, although we are not happy of what happened with the Northern Cebu, what had happened in Region 6 and 8 because of the earthquake and the Yolanda. And I have told them every time there's a disaster, calamity, or a disturbance that would affect a greater proportion in our country, some people will tend to be too much automatically of being religious and spiritual, even leading towards for a quick charity and generosity, that at one time you can hardly see them to be open-minded in their giving, in their helping, and such occurrence will bring people to truth to flood the city of Cebu. And I call it, if there was a storm surge or a surge of power, I call it again PS. It will become a people's surge. So I am preparing all of my department heads, the crowd control, and even Balik Cebu, that there'll be a lot of people coming to our city, because they keep on wondering that of all the areas, why Cebu City or Cebu substantially have not been getting much of the effect of the earthquake. Yes, the earthquake had put our hospital in operative, but thank God all the infrastructure, the structures, the people are not still intact, alive and kicking. Then Yolanda hit us. Yes, we were a part, ought to be getting and to bear the brunt of all those effects physically and in the case of movable and immovable. But thank God, Cebu and Cebu City in particular had been spared. That's the reason why I am of the understanding that Balik Cebu now is gearing towards a paradigm shift, bringing what we believe ought to be, because there is such a thing as Balik Palay, shelter for typhoon survivors. Yes, if the rest are into helping, the more Cebu should also be helping, and the more that Sinulog 2014 should highlight the word helping. And since Balik Cebu is very much a part of the Sinulog since 2001 preparation for 2002 Sinulog that I have been a part, and Ayala and this group has always been a part, and even I keep on telling Eileen Mangoba, Eileen, I have always had perhaps a short temper, but I can guarantee you that I have a long memory. That long memory will bring Rene Almendras, will bring Teta Baat, and will bring CDN. Because not all newspaper then, when I came in as the chairman on the 2001, put that temper back, that temperature back, and that is CDN in 2001. If you don't have any memory, well, I'm sorry, but the mayor has a memory. And you go back to the preparation of Sinulog 2001. And when 2000 came in, CDN right away put in the newspaper all that ought to be the events that will be expected. By the way, 2001, for your information, was after a very memorable election. And that was a very heated election. That was an election I will never forget, Eileen, because I got hit by a slipper. Hit by a slipper when the proclamation came in and a new mayor came in. We had our recollection so bad that I can never forget, and that should never happen again. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to welcome all of you. Cebu is one of a kind. Cebu City is one of a kind. Ayala is one of a kind. CDN likewise is one of a kind. Donnie, Alice, Teta, and all of us who are here, especially CTC, Cebu City Tourism Commission, now with the Miss Cebu, and my cousin or my niece-in-law, Jatja Chongbian Rama. Thank you very much, Sinbet. I think and I hope I have welcomed all of you. Let's have a new Sinulog 2014 Balik Balay, Balik Cebu program.